Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Evolution of leaf. Leaf is a green, mostly flat structure born at the node on the stem or on its branches in all vascular plants. The primary function of the leaf is photosynthesis. It also helps in transpiration. Another activity of the leaf is respiration, which involves the absorption of oxygen and liberation of carbon dioxide. The primitive vascular plants have no leaves. The stem being green was photosynthetic. It is the evolution of leaf which resulted in efficient photosynthesis. How did this important organ of the plant arise when none was present in the primitive vascular plants? Before we answer this question, we must distinguish between two basic types of leaves: the microphyllous leaves and megaphyllous leaves. Microphyllous leaves have a single vein with no leaf gap, while megaphyllous leaves have branching veins with leaf gap. Microphyllous leaf is present in lycopsids and spanopsids, while megaphyllous leaves are present in pteropsids and spermatophytes, that is, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Evolution of microphyllous leaf. The interpretation of fossil records does not permit a clear answer as to how the microphyllous leaf evolved. However, there is a possibility about the origin of microphyllous leaf. The microphyllous leaf originated as an outgrowth, lacking the vascular tissue from the naked branching of the primitive plant, as you can see in the slide. With increase in size, it needs support and transport, so vascular tissue in the form of one vein appeared in it, and in this way the microphyllous leaf was formed. Evolution of megaphyllous leaf. When we examine the leaves, we find that they are evolved by the evolutionary modification of the forked branching system. Therefore, this hypothesis of evolution of megaphyllous leaf is called forked branching reduction hypothesis. The branching system become flat during the evolution of megaphyllous leaf. This type of evolution of megaphyllous leaf is called planation. Here you can see in the slide. Next in evolution, the spaces between the bundles and branches of vascular tissue became filled with the photosynthetic tissue. This process is called webbing. The organ now, a leaf, looked like superficially the webbed foot of a duck. The branches changes into veins which resulted in many veined leaf or megaphyllous leaf. Thank you so much.